Hey scholars, just wanted to show you how to find the center of mass of any object. It's easiest with a meter stick. I know you probably don't have a meter stick. I'm going to show you with that, and then also with another object. So I'm got my fingers on either end here. Hopefully you can see this. And what's going to happen is I'm going to move them, and because of the way friction works, you basically can't not find the center. So let me show you that. So I start with my fingers on the end, and I start to move them, and as I get closer and closer, my fingers, I'm just doing that naturally. My fingers are just moving, and there you have it. I'm right at the, hopefully you can see that, the 50 centimeter mark. I found the center of mass of this. Now you can do that with other objects. This pen, for example, is relatively uniform. So if I do the same thing, I can't help but find the center of mass. Notice it's actually a little bit towards this end over here where my pinky is, because there is this metal weight on the end. So the most extreme example I could find in my house is the example of this hammer. It's very difficult because of the way that it is to find the center of mass. There you go. Whew. So there is equal mass on both sides here of this hammer. You can see it's very difficult there to get, and it's partly because of the way this is shaped. But what also is interesting is if I throw this hammer up in the air, I'll show you an image in just a second in the PowerPoint slides, but if I throw this hammer in the air, it's going to follow a parabola like normal. It's going to, of course, whip through the air like this, but the center of mass is still going to follow a parabola through the air. So it's a really important concept that's kind of crammed into this section for sort of no reason, but there you go. That is your quick tutorial on center of mass.